Hey y'all, Crazy Pop here, and today we're going to do some fried cabbage and sausage, and man, it's going to be so good. It's what we're having for supper tonight, actually, so thank you for joining us for supper again. Y'all are getting to make a habit out of this. I got to start cooking more. Man, this fried cabbage and sausage, we did this a few years ago, but today I'm going to do a little twist on it, something a little different. It's actually one of our favorite meals around here, and it's really, really good, and it's really, really simple. So, if you're looking for any other recipes we may have done, look down below in the description and you'll find a link to it there. There's also a link tree down there where you can find links to all our other social media accounts, our TikToks, our other YouTube channel, Hanging with the Crazy Crew, and you can find all kind of funny adventures that we go on, and who knows what you'll find when we do. If you want to join us over there, we'd be glad to have you there too. So with that being said, y'all check all that after this video. Please watch the video first. I would appreciate that. And then go check it out. But right now, we got to fire this thing up. We got to show you some groceries. Let's get this bad boy fired up, y'all. Now, for this cook, we got to have all 4 burners. But now I am going to go down to right above low on this. And we might adjust it later, and if we do, hey, like always, I'll let you know. Let's talk ingredients. Now, we have 1 whole head of cabbage cut up. Looks like a lot, but it will cook down. We got 1 large onion cut up. We have about 2.5 pounds of smoked sausage, and we have a pound of bacon that I have cut up, just diced up, rough cut. And we're going to season this whole thing with some Dano's hot chipotle. Now, if you hadn't tried Dano's, this is some really, really good stuff. And if you're looking for some, hey, like I said before, check that link tree link, and you will find a link to this Dano's, and you can buy it there. Starting to get a little white smoke off this griddle. That only means one thing. It's time to get some groceries up on this griddle. So let's throw the bacon down first. Let's get all of it in there. Some of them want to stay behind. Can't have that. Just get it all spread out. Now, I'm only using a pound of bacon. You know, I don't recommend any less. If you want to use more, by all means. Why? Bacon. And the reason we're throwing the bacon down first is we're going to cook that cabbage and everything else in this bacon grease. And it's going to be oh so good. I don't know if there's a better sound or smell than bacon on the griddle. Let's just keep on stirring this around here and getting this done. Oh yeah. Gonna be some good eating right here. Now this bacon is close to being done, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it up because we're gonna finish cooking it later. So let's go ahead and get it up, put it on this tray. Let some of that grease drain off of it. But I want to save a lot of this grease, so I'm just gonna drain it back off onto the griddle like that. We're gonna have something to cook that cabbage in, y'all. There you go, bacon's taken up. Now, if your house is anything like my house, you better hide it, cover it up, put it somewhere it can't be seen, because we got some bacon bandits running around here, and they'll run by and snatch a little piece of it, and next thing you know, I won't have no bacon to put back in this cabbage. So now I got a close eye on that bacon. Let's throw the cabbage on here. While we at it, throw your onions on too. Now what we're gonna do is just spread this out, mix it in good. Get them onions and cabbage all mixed up. Looks like a lot of cabbage, but it will cook down, I promise you. This cabbage will cook down a lot. Get that bacon grease all in it. Yeah, buddy. Now, what I'm going to do, let's hit with some Dano's. Now, how much to use is completely up to you, but I'm going to tell you right now, this right here is going to add an amazing flavor to this dish. Ooh, this is smelling good. Let's mix that in. And in case you're wondering, Dano's is actually a low sodium seasoning, so hey, check them out. looking pretty good, so let's add that sausage in now. Get all that in there. And mix it back up. All right, let's spread this out and just let it cook. We'll just let it do its thing now. This right here is gonna be so good for supper tonight. Man, it's smelling amazing already. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm keeping the bacon over here close to me, where I make sure nobody comes by and snatches a piece. Cause, you know, I'm not eating none. There ain't no way I'm eating some. Let's go ahead and stir this cabbage and sausage up. Oh yeah. Looking good, looking good. It all spread out real good. Try to get it all touching the grill as much as possible. Sausage is starting to get a little sear to it. The onions are starting to soften up. This is a really quick dish to make for any weeknight meal on cold winter days. Of course, here I am talking about a cold winter day, and I'm out here in short sleeves. It's actually in the 60s here in South Carolina today, in February, but I ain't complaining. I just come here every few minutes and give things a stir. Get this cabbage cooked down good and the onions get nice and tender. Get the sausage done. About time to add that bacon in. I think it's a great time to add that bacon back in, so let's put it back in the mix. Just dump it all back in there. Except for this piece. This piece ain't no good. I gotta save everybody from eating this piece. Let's mix it in. Spread it all back out. Let it cook just a little bit longer. We're gonna be ready to eat. Let's give it another stir and check things out, see if it's about ready. Oh yeah. I think it's about there, y'all. The cabbage is good and tender. The onions, look at that. Nice and tender. The sausage got a good sear. The bacon's done. Grab you a big plate and start putting it on it. I might need a bigger plate. There you go. What y'all think about that? What you think about that for supper tonight? Quick, easy, just a few ingredients, and you got an amazing meal just like this. Man, we gotta try this out. All right, y'all, there it is. Quick, simple, easy weeknight meal. Whatever you wanna make this for. I think cook time was right at 20 minutes. The prep time was maybe 10. So you got a quick, easy weeknight meal. Hopefully that everybody will love. I know everybody in this house will love it. So we got to try this out. Let's see how it tastes. Let's get some of this. Let's get some of all this stuff on here. There we go. Oh yeah. Y'all wait a minute while I just enjoy this. Okay. Cabbage has just a little bit of crunch left to it. It's not like soggy cabbage. It's like I like it. Them onions in there give a good little sweetness to them. They got the sweetness out of them now. That Dano seasoning is just right on this stuff. It is good. You gotta try the Danos, I'm telling you. And it is low sodium like I mentioned before. And them sausage and that bacon just really just elevate it. Just bring it to a whole new level. Just really bring all the flavors together. You got to try this. Super simple, Super easy and super good. You really got to try this. So with that being said, I got to take this inside, start feeding the family, and hey, be sure to check out all the other videos, and thank you for watching. Oh, one more thing. If you're still here, there's a join button down below. Would love to have you a member of the Crazy Crew family of the channel. That's another great way to support this channel. If not, that's fine. I fully understand. You support me enough by just watching this video, hitting that thumbs up, and subscribing. That's really all I can ask for. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.